Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Squarespace for website design step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. From your dashboard, click on Create New Site or select an existing site to edit. Choose a template that fits your design vision. Click Start with this design to proceed. Once your template is loaded, navigate to the Pages menu on the left sidebar. Here, you can add new pages by clicking the plus icon. Select the type of page you want to create, such as a regular page, gallery, or blog. Drag and drop to rearrange the order of your pages as desired. Next, navigate to the Design section on the left sidebar. Click on Site Styles to customize your template's appearance. Adjust fonts by selecting desired styles for headings and body text. Modify colors by clicking on the color palette and choosing your preferred scheme. To add your logo, go to Logo and Title in the Design section. Upload your logo file and set the site title and tagline. Now, return to the Pages menu. Select a page to edit by clicking on its name. Use the content editor to add text, images, and other elements. To insert a new block, click on the plus icon within the editor. Choose the type of block you wish to add, such as text, image, or button. Continue customizing your pages with various blocks until you're satisfied. Next, set up your site navigation by returning to the Pages menu. Organize your pages in the order you wish them to appear in the navigation bar. Adjust page settings by clicking on the gear icon next to each page. Here, you can update the page title, URL slug, and SEO settings. Once your pages are set, go back to the dashboard. Navigate to Settings to configure your site's general information. Fill in your site title, description, and contact details. Next, set up your domain under Domains if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.